how to set up the Chase Bank direct deposit using the form that we have downloaded. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you'd like to do so, in today's video we'll be providing you with a step-by-step guide. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that we can just go over and get our account details first. Go ahead, find the 9-digit number on your checks or your bank statement application, which is your routing number. Find it up. Similarly, your account number also, you need to just go and locate it on your checks or your statement, and you can specify if it's a checking or saving account, and we can complete out the form. So for that, once you have downloaded the form, what you can do is you can just go over and fill in your info. So first of all, we need to provide in our name. Just go and provide it up. Even our address or employee ID also, if required, just go over and do so. And we need to select enter about basic information, which is our checking account number and your account number, the bank's address as well. So provide it up here in this form, and you can decide if you want to split your paycheck or deposit the full amount in this account. And you can just go over and sign this form right here. And you will also likely need to attach a voided check or deposit slip to the form. You can just go over and give the completed form, voided check, to your company's payroll or HR department, and you can just go over and do so. Apart from that, you can use the Chase application. You can select your account and then just go over and find the setup direct deposit form option, and the application will often pre-fill your details. Just confirm and create the form for printing, and you can just go over and send it voided, and that's it. So usually you can follow this process for that, which should be pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.